Everyone is very welcome. Today we are going to bring you 5 ways to earn money on the internet and achieve the long-awaited financial freedom, freedom of time and geographical freedom. 2020 taught us that we must look for new sources of income, whether online, in the security of our homes, or anywhere we want to be after this turbulent period. With just a computer or cell phone with an internet connection, we can change professions or earn an extra income. Without further ado, let's go to the video. Number 5. YouTube may seem like the most obvious solution since you are here watching this video. Creating a YouTube channel can be a great passive source of income, in which you only need to work once to make the video and get paid for it while there is an audience, and as long as YouTube exists. And if you, like me, are ashamed to appear in front of the cameras, you can create a channel like this, called the dark channel, where the owner of the channel does not appear, and most of the time it is not even he who narrates, edits or writes the scripts. The main way to make money with a YouTube channel is with AdSense, which pays you a percentage of what a company's traffic manager is willing to pay for an advertisement on your channel, for which 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours are required of videos watched in the last 12 months. So already subscribe to the channel to hit this goal quickly, and thumbs up for more content like this. Number 4. Traffic Manager. The traffic manager is hired to find the right audience, in which a company wants to offer its product or service. In addition to YouTube, the manager can make use of other platforms and social networks such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Pinterest, email and many others. The traffic manager is divided into 2 branches: manager of launching info products, in which numerical and analytical skills are needed, and commerce manager, which can be a large company or the bakery in your neighborhood, in which case the manager must have sales skills to convince the customer of the need your company has to be on the internet. If you are interested in becoming a traffic manager, there is no need to buy courses that teach you how to be a manager, since the platforms themselves offer these courses free of charge. See the links in the description. Number 3. Digital product. If you are a good writer or have something to teach that will add value to the other person, it may be interesting for you to write an ebook or create a course, and once again you will work only once and receive forever, and can even transform one product into another. For example, an ebook can become an audiobook, a course or be translated into another language. But if you are not a writer, but you get along well with graphic art, it is possible to create low-content books, such as coloring books, puzzles, diaries and notebooks. Now if you don't fit any of these profiles, you may want to reread or translate a non-copyrighted book. You may have seen this, the same book, but with different authors. Number 2. Referral program and affiliate program. Referral programs are the famous invite a friend. You do not receive money directly, but you receive credits to be used in the company that promotes the program, then serving as a replacement for costs, since we all need housing, transportation and food. In the affiliate program you receive a cash reward for promoting or selling a product to a company. All you need to do is register on the website of the company that has the affiliate program, and disclose the link or code that they provide. You can advertise in WhatsApp groups, on your YouTube channel, inside your ebook, or create a campaign as a traffic manager. Number 1. Freelance and remote work. In freelance you are hired by project, while in remote work, you are hired for a longer period of time. There is certainly something you can do or learn to do with videos on the internet. The list of services is huge. The main ones are video editor, programmer, website developer, translator, voice actor, narrator, photographer, nutritionist, secretary, psychologist and writer. Most of these services and ways of making money are paid in dollars, and if you live in a country that has a currency devalued against the dollar, you will earn more by currency conversion. Thank you very much for watching the video. Useful links to start your journey are just below the description. If you have learned something new, leave your like, and if you know another way to make money online, please write in the comments and help the community to grow.